Seems like the friendship between Macela and Makwela, it will end in tears very soon because of their husband, Musamseleko. Guys, we all know one thing about Musamseleko. He loves himself. He will forever choose himself. The same thing that happened between Macela and Makumalo, it might happen between Macela and Makwela, guys. So, on December season 8, episode 26, we can see on the trailer, Macela and Makwela are sitting having their lunch, guys. Umusamseleko calls Umacele, guys. Umacele ask Umusamseleko, what did you call Umakwela, guys? And Umakwela, she's so confused. Who gave Umusamseleko a permission to call me before the first wife, Umacele, guys? I don't think Umacele she will like it. Umusamseleko calls Makwela before Macele, guys. We know that Umacele, she's Musamseleko's first wife. Musamseleko reply, Etienne, I do not know I had a right to do so, meaning that you have to call your first wife before your last wife, guys. So, guys, the people are saying, it seems like it will end in tears between Makwela and Macele, guys. This is just a trailer. We haven't seen the full episode. What's on the September season 8? We're just gonna watch it tonight and see the full conversation, guys, and see what's going to happen, because we want to know what is going on between Musamseleko, Makwela, and Macele, guys. Did Musamseleko talk to Macele before? Talk to Makwela before Macele? If he really did that, guys, it is wrong, guys. So anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you.